Hey guys, in today's episode of Nev's Garage, we're going to be looking at headlight focusing. Now, in particular, going to be looking at how to repair a headlight that you can't focus. So this left-hand headlight on this GC8 is aimed too high. I'm unable to wind it down, so I'm going to pull it out and see what's wrong with it, see if we can fix it. So let's get stuck into it. Alright, so now we should be able to lift the headlight out. It's unplugged, and there we go. Alright, so let's stick it up on the bench and have a look at it. Alright, so this is the up-down winder. So first, let's take it off and see what it's like inside. And we've got our mechanism. So down in here we can see the gear, which is split. Now, headlight assembly, if we wind this gear at the back, just screws out of the housing. So it's obviously, oh yeah, so that's how it adjusts, like that. So that part of the mechanism is working. You can see the lens moving. Okay, so that's cool. So we just need to repair the gears. Now they're actually both split. So basically what's happening is this is turning without the gear. So what I'm going to do is try and push that pin out, which it looks like I can, like that, and then I'll get the gear out of here. Yeah, it is a little nylon gear, and you can see the split in it. So I'm going to clean that, put some super glue on it, and glue it back up, and it'll probably be good enough to adjust the headlights. Let's get some super glue. Now I'm just going to use a hose clamp, which I've sprayed inside with Lennox, just to close the gap while the gear sets. Like that. Let's let that go off now. Now we're going to give the gear on the headlight side the same treatment. Just pull it off like that. And I'm going to clean it, glue it and clamp it as well. Alright, so just let them both go off now. Alright, so here's the gears. Put them out in the sun. Let the glue dry. So let's undo the clamps and pop them out. There we go. Now this one is the headlight gear. This one is the adjuster. Right, so there we go, it's closed up the gap. Now we just need to clean off all the excess glue so the gears are going to work. Alright, so I reckon that'll work. So what I'm going to do now is put it back in the gearbox. So it goes down in there like that. And then the dry pin just goes down through the center like this. Like that. Alright, cool, so it's back in there. Now, clean the other gear up. Like that. Now, for this one I'm going to put a double glue on the spline before we put it on. You can do it on the gearbox because it'd be very easy to get it all jammed up and down in there. And ain't nobody got time for that. Just need to push it down onto the where it lives. unscrew it out of here. Because I don't want to break the headlight. There we go. Clean it up a bit. Wipe the excess glue off. Like that. Now I'll screw it back into the headlight. Like that. And it gets this pushed up through it. Like that. Like that, and she's back together. So now let's see if it will adjust. Yeah, it does. Cool. So it's essentially fixed. Awesome. Let's put it back in the car. Alright, cool. So there we go. Headlight adjuster's fixed now, and should be able to adjust the tilt on the headlights, get them focused properly. Simple as that. They only get used every now and then. So yeah, that fix is going to be sweet as brew. As always, thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing. You've been watching Ned's Garage. See you next time.